Welcome my dear students, I am Arshitesh provide you some important questions of miscellaneous exercise. Question number first, 1 upon x minus x cube and I take the common x and it is the partial form. According to the rules of partial form, a upon x plus b upon 1 minus x plus c upon 1 plus x. I integrate these parts and I denoted it by 1. After that, if I multiply by numerator on both sides, then I get this line. After that, if I multiply and compare the coefficient of x square, x and constant term on both sides, then I get the equation like this. Now equating the coefficient of x square, x and constant term, then I get minus a plus b minus c equal to 0 and b plus a equal to 0 and a equal to 1. On solving, a equal to 1, b equal to half, c equal to half. If I submit all the value in the equation number 1, then I get 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2 1 minus x, 1 upon 2 1 plus x. If I integrate, then I get, my dear students, 1 upon x integration is log of x and all the part I get log. So according to rules of integrations, I just integrate on both sides and I get the answer. Next question number 2. So I multiply numerator and denominator, that means I have to rationalize this because it is the under roots. If any questions it is given under root, you have to rationalize. For numerator I get 1 upon a minus b integrate under root of x minus a minus under root of x minus b. If I integrate, then I get this part because power half and 3 upon 2 power, and it is the answer. Next question number 3, 1 upon x ax minus x square. So my students, if any questions is linear and quadratic, then you have to write x equal to a upon t, any constant term. If I submit the value, then I get, on solving these equations, and I simplify the equations and I integrate the equations, so I get 1 upon 80 under root of 1 upon t minus 1 upon t square. So my students, look, if I take the LCM on these parts, then I get 1 upon t minus 1 upon t square into dt and 1 upon 80, and it is the minus sign. After that, if I calculate 1 upon a, 1 upon t minus 1, now I integrate t minus 1 and I get minus 1 upon a to under root of t minus 1 plus c. Integration of this part, and that is your answer. So my students, now I just submit the value of t on both instead of x, then I get these equations, and just I simplify or take the LCM on both sides, so I will get this. Next question number 4, it is given 1 upon x square, so I submit, take the common x cube from both the sides, numerator and denominator, then I will get these parts. After that, and I take 1 plus 1 upon x cube power 4 as a t, so I get the equations as it is like this. So I take 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon x square 4 equal to t and differentiate, then I get these equations. So my students, if I submit the value of here, then I will get the equations. Integrations of minus 1 upon 4 1 plus t power minus 3 upon 4. After that, if I take the value like this, then instead of t, then I get the answer. Next question number 6, 5x upon 1 plus x square plus 9, and that is the question number 6. So my students, according to the rules of partial form, a upon x plus 1 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 9, because it is the quadratic, that is why I have to write here linear equations on. Now multiply according to the rules of partial form, and I take the I multiply and take the coefficient of x square x and constant term. If I equating on both sides, then and solving the equations for these equations, I get a minus half b half c 9 upon 2. Now I submit the equation number 1. I will get the equation as it is this. Now I integrate these parts as like this. After that, if I integrate 1 upon x plus 1, it is the log, and this part I divided the numerator x upon x square plus 9, 9 upon x square plus 9, then I will get these equations. So it is the quadratic and it is the linear, so I have to take the equations like this. And next part is x square plus a square, it is the identity. X square plus a square means 1 upon a, 10 inverse x upon a. So my students, I just submit the value. After that, question number 7. Sin x upon sin x minus a. So denominator should not be x minus a, x plus a. It should not be do like this. After that, I just take x minus a as a t. If I take x minus a as a t and differentiate, I will get this line. So sin t plus a, instead of x, you have to write here t plus a. So I get the identity of sin a plus b, and I expand sin a plus b. After that, sin t, I divided all the parts, I get cos a plus cos t sin a and dt. Now I integrate these parts, I will get this x minus a cos a, because sin a and cos a are constant, so it remove outside. So I just submit and get the answer. Next, question number 8. It is given a to the power 5. So I just take the common a to the power 4 log of x, numerator and denominators. I will get these parts, and both side numerator and denominator cancel. Log a to the power log x square. So according to the rules, a to the power log x square equal to x square. Now just I integrate x square, I get x cube upon 3, because e to the power log m equal to m. So according to the rules, I get x cube upon 3 plus c, and that is your answer, my dear students. Next, question number 9. So it is given cos x under root of 4 minus sin square x. So it is the given questions. After that, this is the cos. It is the given cos x under root of 4 minus sin x. So my students, if I take sin x equal to t and differentiate cos x dx equal to dt, after that I get integration dt upon 2 square minus t square. So it is the identity of sin inverse t upon 2. It is the identity of sin inverse t upon 2 plus c. So my students, and that is the answer of sin inverse sin x upon 2 plus c. So my dear students, I think you understand these questions, because instead of t you have to cite. Again, question number 10. Look here, a to the power 8 minus sin to the power x 8x minus cos to the power 8x. If I expand numerator and denominator like this, a square minus b square identity, and denominator can be written as instead of 1 you have to write here sin square plus cos square, and d2 sin square x cos square x. Then I get this part as it is like this. Now a square minus b square, if you expand on numerator and denominators, if I take the common sin square and cos square from the denominators, then I get sin square sin to the power 4 plus cos to the power 4, and numerator also a square minus b square. If I expand, then I get the equation as it is this. Minus, if I take the common minus and numerator and denominator are cancel, then you have minus taking common, cos square minus sin square equal to cos 2x. So integrate of cos 2x, I get integrate of cos 2x. So I get sin 2x upon 2 plus c, and that is your answer, my dear students. Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice day.